Most students still struggle with how to find mean, median, and mode of a frequency table. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through step-by-step method in which you will be able to calculate any question that involves any frequency table of a statistic question that involves you calculating mean, median, and mode. So I will encourage you to watch the video, the entire video to the end, so that you grab every details of the tutorial. So if you find the tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe, and share to support the channel. So if you look at this question, how to find mean, median, and mode from a frequency table. So if you are given a question like this, a student placed a call to me that is confused on how to find a median of this kind of frequency table of a statistic question. So I have to put in on so that the rest students who are also in this position will get something from this. So if you are given a frequency table like this to calculate the mean, median, and mode, what you need to do is to, now you have x, you have frequency. What this implies is that 1 occurs in 6 times, 2 occurs in 2 times, 3 occurs in 4 times, 4 occurs in 6 times, and 5 occurs in 8 times. So to get our mean, what we need to do is we find xf. So our xf will be 1 times 6, that will give us 6. 2 times 2, that is 4. 3 times 4, that is 12. 4 times 6, that is 24. 5 times 8, that is 40. So what you need to do to get our mean, you simply apply this formula, which is this summation fx over summation fx over summation f. So this is, if you add this is what that implies, that you need to add all this frequency together. You add all these frequencies together. You add all these frequencies together. This fx, the sum of 6 plus 2, that is 8. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, that is 12. 12 plus 6, that is 18. 80 times 80 plus 8, that is 26. 26. That is the sum of the frequency. Now, the sum of the fx, that is frequency and the score here. So that will give us, you have, this is 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 plus 12, that is 22. So 22, where you have 22 plus 64, that is 86. So you have 86 here. 86. So the summation, that is the addition of all this, will give us 86, and the addition of this will give us 26. So mean is equal to summation fx over summation f. So we have gotten our summation fx to be 86. So you have 86 divided by summation f, which is 26. So that is simply 3.31. Is that understood? So our mean here from this frequency table is simply 3.31. That is applying this formula. I hope you get that. So to get our media implies the hidden middle number. The hidden middle number, it is invisible. The number is hidden. In other words, hiding at the middle that you cannot see. You need to calculate it. So what we need to do is to cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency here. Frequency. So this one is 6. This one is 6. Then 4, 6. Then 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, that is 8. Okay? 4 plus 8, that is 12. Then 6 plus 12, that is 18. Okay? Then you have 8 plus 18, that is 26. 26. For us to get the media number, we need to first of all calculate the cumulative frequency. Okay, and that is what we just did there. So from the frequency here, you get your cumulative frequency. That is, you write the 6 first, then 2 plus 6, that is 8. 4 plus 8, that is 12. Then 6 plus 12, that is 18. Then 8 plus 18, that is 26. So to get our media now, we first find the media. So we first find the media position. Media position is equal to n over 2. It's equal to n over 2. We first look for the position. So you have n, which is the same thing as the frequency column here. This is n, that is 26 divided by 2. That is equal to 13. So this is the media position. 13th. The media position. This is not our answer. This is not the media answer. This is not the middle number. What this implies is the position. So the media position is 13th. So what we are going to do is to get our media from this frequency table. We have gotten our media position to be 13th. So you look at the frequency table and this. If you look at here, this is 2. When S is 2, we have our cumulative frequency to be 12. We are looking for media position of 13th. So if you look at this now, when X is 4, the cumulative frequency is 18. So definitely 30 falls in this group when X is 4. 30 falls in this group when X is 13 falls in this group when S is 4. You understand? We see that when S is 3 here, is 12. When x is 4, we have 18 here. So our 13 falls in this group when x is 4. So therefore the media position is 4. Our media is equal to 4 because it falls in this position when x is 4 frequency, the highest frequency. That is just the mode. Highest frequency. Mode. The highest frequency. So you have a mode. Mode is simply the highest frequency. If you look at this table now, you look at the one that has the highest frequency from this. So 5 is definitely the one that has the highest frequency. That is, it occurs the most. It occurs the most. That is 8 times. So therefore, our mode is simply 5. Mode is equal to 5. Why? Because it's the one that occurs most. It's the one that occurs most. It occurs 8 times. It occurs 8 times. So I believe this tutorial has been helpful. So if you still have any question, I'll leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to every single one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.